Hey guys, so we're doing an unboxing video for you today, and it is the Zippo Blue. I just got this from a shop called 77th Street in Singapore, and this was really hard to find because in Singapore Zippo Blue is seriously rare. And I got the mesmerized version right there, if you can see that. Playing my iPod Touch 4th Gen, and this iPod Touch 4th Gen camera is really not that good. Just open this up, and I'm not really sure if this is a fake or not because of this right there. It says gas lighter. It doesn't say price or anything, so if it's a fake or anything, please tell me. I've really taken off the plastics that were right here. This warning sticker and a butane sticker right there. And this is it, and just try and show you the flame. As you can see, it's blue color right there. Really strong flame and everything. You got your gas gauge right there, and when you feel the gas, you feel it right there. You see 2 holes. There's a hole right here, and the hole here is to fill the gas, and here is a screw where you unscrew it to take out the insert. This is because the insert is not be able to take out from here, and if you unscrew the screw, Zippo will know, and if you send it in for repair, they will just send you back the way it was because they don't want you tampering the things or whatever. Alright, so in here got the manual. So just stick the stickers there. And again, tell me if this is real or not, because I'm not really sure. Got a basic Zippo Blue manual, everything. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing, and do subscribe and rate, and watch out for my next video on the unboxing of the Beats by Dre or iPhone 4 White. Either one of those, I'm not really sure yet, and thank you for watching.